Hi everybody. Hi guys, it's Amanda here. Realityarts, the artist, Happy New Year. I wanted to just take a brief moment to wish you a Happy New Year and wish you all the joy, the blessings that will come for this year. And I want to, it's not necessarily recommit, but to say that I'm going to be with you on this journey for 2020, this art and creative journey, and I want you to be able to do all the things creatively that you've wanted to do. There's no holding back. There's no, oh, it's not for me, or no, there's not enough room, or no, there's nobody doing the kind of thing that I want to do. And I want you to, it's about making room for yourself. It's about taking time for yourself to nurture yourself so that you can do the things creatively that you want to do. So this year I have 3 words for the year, and last year, it's funny saying last year, I had written out, I've got a whole pile of these. I made a list for myself of encouraging words and positive words, uplifting words, words that when you look at them often and speak them over your life, it can change your maybe current state. So if you were feeling a bit off, looking at words and thinking about what they mean to you and how you want to see, start off with that particular hour, minute, day, week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, month, couple of months. So you'll keep in check. It's not that, oh yeah, at the end of the month I'll do that because I'm not important. And I say that because we put the lives of others before everything else. And if we don't take care of ourselves, we're not going to be able to be there for others. So this year is about looking, or we'll even start with this month. This month is about clarifying and putting things into place so that you can live your best life, so that you can do all the things, as I say, that you wanted to do. So the 3 words I have for myself, and I suggest you think about what your words may be or adopt these words as well, is free, visionary, and achieve. Free, visionary, and achieve. Now, I will be going into these words as the month goes on, because this is for the month of January, and each month I have an additional 3 words, and there's more words. So when we look at the 2 things that I do for my podcast, I do Creating in Faith on a Mondays when we're into season 2, and I do inspirational shorts. So for each of those particular things that come out on a weekly basis, I have an additional set of words for that particular month. But the overall words are free, visionary, and achieve. And it's to look at, as I think about these words, and as I say, I will go into them on the podcast and I'll share it on the different platforms. But as I think about these words, it's about, it gives me hope, it gives me drive, it gives me encouragement, it helps me feel, my voice is so deep, it helps me feel that there are possibilities. There's so many possibilities available to us. There's so many things that we can do, so many different types of technology that we can use, that we have access to, that today when we think about it, we're not confined, we're not, I can sit here and make a video and publish it and broadcast it, and I can share it, whereas before it's only certain people that get to be on TV, or it's only certain people that get to share their voices around the world. You know, I can do that with a podcast, I can do that with a blog. You know, you don't have to pay thousands of pounds or dollars to be in a newspaper or a magazine. You can create your own. So we have so many things available to us that it's about making use of those things. And so for me, 2020, and not just necessarily 2020, but there's an additional drive that all things are possible. So many more things are possible. You know, we have, there are no limits. It's limitless in how far we can go, how much we can do. And yeah, I just really wanted to encourage you. So today's video is about an exhibition. I'm going to be sharing about an exhibition at the Queen's Park Gallery, and it's on until the 18th of January. So as I say, I just really wanted to say hi, have the first video of the year, one that is really kind of, you know, encouraging you, and I really do want that. And I hope you join me. I hope you join me on the channel for some new ways of working, some insights, some encouragement, some, you know, if you're feeling a particular way, it will lift you up. Yeah, I just hope you join me on the journey, and looking forward to connecting with you. What else can I say? I'm also doing, so I've got this channel, I've got my Creative Gardener channel, and I've got the links to the channels on the side. This is my other channels. And I'm also starting a Caribbean one. So everything that happens, everything that I do, every artist that I speak to that is Caribbean based, everything that I do that's in the Caribbean, I will be sharing on that channel. It's called Realityarts Caribbean Experience. And so there's lots of things that you may not have seen. Some things you may have seen here, so interviews, but I wanted to have everything in one space. So it's all about the Caribbean experience. And I will be also sharing, I'm not doing like a travel vlog or blog of Barbados or anywhere specific in the Caribbean, but if I come across things that are interesting to me, I will share them with you, and you'll be able to see, gain insights. And if you want to do it, if you want to experience it, if you want to know more, then you can. So I'm going to leave it there, and I hope to have you along on the journey, and I hope to find out what things you are doing on your journey. So stay blessed, be a blessing, and go for it.